Hi everyone! So today I'm going to try something a little bit different. I'm going to try painting a little bit of a galaxy painting. Well, galactic look, universe, something like that. I have my hairdryer here to do that, and I'm going to do that on a black base, and I am going to mix a little bit of alcohol into my paints, because I noticed that when you mix isopropyl alcohol into paint with a little bit of water as well. The water is already in, but I waited to mix the alcohol until I'm just about to start painting, and the reason for that is quite simple. Alcohol evaporates really quickly. So now I'm just putting it in and hurrying up. So basically I did not mix my paints the usual way. I mixed them with, well, pretty much the usual way, just adding alcohol as a part. Instead of full water, it's water and alcohol mixed. Like for this heavy body paint, for example, I mixed 50-50 paint medium, and then I added about 15% water and then 10% alcohol. Usually I would add 25% just water. And last one, it's the paint I messed up in my last video. I made a mess there, as you can see. So now that's done. For the fluid paint, I mixed about 30% paint, 70% medium, 5 and 5, 5% water, 5% alcohol. And that's it, really. I only used heavy body paint for the black and fluid acrylics for the rest. The colors I've used will be in the description as usual, so you can check that out if you want to try it for yourself and use the same color as I did. So I'll zoom you in and get started with that. And hurry, because I don't want the alcohol to evaporate before I start. So let's do this. Alright. So I will start by pouring a thin coat of black paint all over my canvas. I probably have too much paint mixed, but if I do, I'm not going to use it all, and I'm going to do another painting after. Okay, so that's done. So I have three colors here that looks white. One of them is white, one of them is pearl, and the other one is interference violet, which I think is going to look really cool on a black base. And since I have white too in there, I think it's going to be quite interesting. So now I'm going to stop talking because I'm going to turn on my hairdryer, and I really don't want to break your hair, so I will paint in silence. Now, quite like this, but when I look at an image of our galaxy, you know, where the Milky Way is a bit of a spiral, and it has some really cool details. And I mean, I don't really like this, so I'm just going to pour a little bit more paint. And blow it around, make the lines disappear. Alright, so now I quite like it, simply because of all the ripple details that the air causes by rippling the paint away. I love it. Now, most of the colors I used are transparent, but I think the pearl, and I can't find the container because I don't know where I put it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, the pearl is quite transparent, you can see it here. So it will dry much darker. Oh, and this here, the red iron oxide, will dry also quite darker and transparent. It's transparent red iron oxide. And I have to admit that I love it. Quite like it now. And I'm just wondering something, but I kind of don't want to mess that up. I like it so much now that it's just, I don't want to. I have to stop. Acrylic pouring is knowing when to stop. I should have stopped before making the lines, the spirally line. I think that looks pretty awesome. And I may come back on it with the white paint and put stars here and there, depending on how dark it dries, make it look more galactic, but quite happy with how it looks now. Yeah, I am quite happy with how it looks now. I am quite happy. I don't think it will change much, so no time lapse today, but yeah, I can't wait to see where the purple violet interference paint ended up. I think it's going to be interesting to find. Oh, I have a lump here. Whoa, it's okay. Thought it was a bubble, but it's a lump. So yeah, I have enough paint to make another painting, and the next one I think I will blow around with a straw. I think I'll mix more black paint because I used that, but yeah, lovely, really nice painting. I think it's mission accomplished. I really like the ripples all around. It's lovely. Love how the red iron oxide mixed with the pearlescent and the white there in that part. It's really nice. And yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely. I'm a happy painter. So yeah, I'll have to hurry though because I have alcohol mixed with my paints. So if I want to make another painting, then I have to do that like now. Alright, so a bit different of an outro today. I did not have time to make an outro for my second video of the day, which is the one you're watching now. So this is Sauve from the future. I didn't have time to do an outro because I had my paints mixed with alcohol, and I wanted to make another painting with them, and I didn't want the alcohol to evaporate before I had a chance to use the paints. So I hurried up and made another painting that you guys will see in the next video. But yeah, really happy with the painting today. Gave me another idea that you will see in the next video. And yeah, so if you liked that video, give it a like. It helps me out a lot. And on that note, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. Make sure to subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!